Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen, and I'm here in the chicken box, and I'm happy to have you all today. We're doing some of our tried and true, and the Lord knows over the last 7 weeks how much chicken salad have I made. So I'm going to make one today for y'all. It's really easy, and y'all know me well enough to know I'm not a real measurer when I'm cooking, but I'm going to try to measure for you today. I have 24 boiled eggs that I'm going to start with. I have 4 quarts of chicken that we've roasted, and this is seasoned. It's a pretty good tip for you to season your chicken before you cook it for your chicken salad, because it's going to get a lot of flavor cooked into it. It's a lot easier to cook it in than mix it in. So I'm going to take my 4 quarts of chicken to my 24 eggs. Believe it or not, this will be gone in just a day or so. I got a big cooler to fill up every day, y'all. I love texture and colors in all my food more than anything else, so I'm putting 4 cups of celery in here. Now, who can tell me my secret with celery? Leave the leaves in it. Leave the leaves with your celery, because look how pretty this is. All these green leaves in there. And listen, don't buy the celery hearts, buy the whole celery. And then all the leaves that are on it, the outside of the leaves are going to be really mature and rough, but those inside leaves are perfect. So when you start to cut them into strips to chop it up, leave all your green leaves on the inside in there, and it'll really brighten up your salad. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper in. Gosh, I have no idea how to measure, y'all. See, I'm gonna start with this is the funniest part, is me trying to read the writing on. Can y'all help me with that? Do you see that? What does it say? It says teaspoon. I'm gonna start with a teaspoon. I like lemon pepper. Lemon gives it a little brightness that I really like a lot. I'm trying to see. I think I might shake a little bit more on there. So I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. And I like my black pepper too. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon. I think I'm going to do 1 more. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. The Jane's Crazy Salt is a seasoning that I've been going to for over 35 years. This was what we started with, and this is what I like to use. So I'm gonna see. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna go 2 more teaspoons of this. So 2. That's pretty easy. And to this, I'm gonna mix in 2 cups of mayonnaise. Let's see. It could be 12 cups before I'm done, but I'm going to start with a small amount that I know is not going to mess up my recipe. So 2 cups. I'm going to kind of spread it around, get a feel for it. This is a good time for you to taste what you're cooking. So even though it might not have enough mayonnaise in it, I'm probably going to have to add some more in here. It's a good time for me to taste and see if anything needs to be adjusted. See, I've got 24 eggs that are sitting down there on the bottom. It's going to soak up a lot of flavor. And it's going to just soak up that mayonnaise like crazy. So I'm going to go 2 more cups of mayonnaise, I think. You know what? This is a good place. Let's take a quick break. My mayonnaise is behind Teresa, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Now, as I'm looking at this, I'm not too unhappy with it, and I don't want it too wet. So I started with 2 cups. I'm just going to add 1 more cup. Let's see. Y'all, let me tell you, poor Teresa, she said, "What time can I come down to the chicken box and film, Jamie?" I said, 10:30. No problem. Fridays, no problem Fridays. It is far past 10:30 right now. Teresa's been standing around here all day waiting on me. And we are very thankful that it has been a busy day in the chicken box. And I needed to make chicken salad, so it all worked out. Okay, that's it. 3 cups. This is perfect for me. I don't want it any more wet or any more dry than this. I like it to kind of keep itself together. Man, that looks good. Very happy with that. All right, now. $100 for anybody that can guess how many teaspoons of chicken salad I've eaten today. You better start over 20. This is all I do is eat stuff 1 bite at a time. I'm so full. Gotta test again. It's not as easy as it looks. Hot dog. Got it first try. This is good. I don't want any more salt in it. No. I don't need any more mayonnaise in it. Now this flavor is perfect for today. If I'm not able to get to some of this until tomorrow, I'll take this out of the cooler and I have to bring it back to life. So I'll add a little bit of mayonnaise and may need a little bit more seasoning. But I think we hit it today. This is the chicken salad, y'all, that started the whole thing. And now here I am in the chicken box, hot, running late, and I just made Teresa wait all day to film this video, so I hope you like it. I'm Jamie Deen. That's good food. This is the chicken box. See you in the kitchen.
She can't even see.
Who wants some chicken? Who wants some chicken? We can offer y'all a medium chicken or a big chicken. Or a fat chicken. Which one y'all want? Five. Where'd that little girl go? Where'd that little girl go? Did you run from me? She behind you. Five. Eddie. I think they chose Michael. I think they chose that chicken. Oh my goodness.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.